The Stafford Municipal School District is big on robotics. Recently, they were represented by 2 elementary school teams in the first LEGO League Regional Competition.
Today, January 26th, we're at the first LEGO League Regional Qualifier. And we have 2 teams from Stafford Elementary. We have the Girls in Gears and we have the Spartbots that are competing today. Is the games, we call it robot games, where they have a mission. There's a board where the robot will be on and they'll have to perform different missions as they were programmed by the designers, which are the teams. And they will get points for every mission that is accomplished. And so the higher the points, of course, the better. And so what we're hoping is that one of our teams, either the Girls in Gears or the Spartbots or both, will qualify to the regional and go on to the next competition.
So we divide up the work, and some people have to write the paper, some people do the missions, and others work on core values. We have to split it all evenly so we all have a part in the team.
Our team is a very unique team, you could say, because we have all types of age groups. So we always have different opinions and other things that everybody wants to share with the group. And it's always that we always welcome the group, everybody. They're always invited to say what they want to say.
There are numerous career paths in engineering. We all know that. Girls, the doors are wide open in engineering. My husband is a software engineer. He mentors these teams, and they're so excited because they have long conversations about what he does, what they can do. I don't think we really know what doors are going to open up for what career paths are really going to be available to our young children, because they will evolve.
I'm looking forward to completing robotics through high school because I plan on becoming a welder, and once I put this on my resume when I'm in high school, it's going to help me get better jobs, such as me building ships for NASA or fixing some underwater pipes, or helping out fix space problems.
Well, our expectations are high. We want our students on our team members to keep pursuing robotics. I want to see them on our high school teams. Our robotics in high school, we call those Home Depot robots. They don't come out of a kit. They're building their confidence. They're building their I can figure it out mindset. And that's exactly what they do. We give them the tools in which to learn. We do not, under any circumstances, answer a problem, solve a mission that they can't obtain. They will tell you what our words are. I trust you will figure that out. And they do, each and every time.
So excited yet nervous to be here, because when I'm nervous, I can't think straight, and it's really complicated to speak when in front of judges.
Tell them that if you're shy, we'll make you feel better every day, we'll help you, and we'll motivate you, get you ready for anything, and support you for everything that you do during this time.
We have 2 programs on all of our campuses. We have a robotics club, and we have competition teams. So if you're interested just a little bit in robotics, my advice is, number 1, go to our summer academy, our robotics academy, 1 week in the summer. Get your feet wet there. Then join the club. Then if you're really committed, and I really want to stress that commitment is what it's all about, sign up for a team and stay with it and show up.
We want to continue in robotics because we thought it was a really fun journey this year, so we kind of liked it. It was really fun.
For Spartan Spotlight, this is Randall Williams.